Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine. So, today we are going to learn an important thing. It is about good manners. Well, have you heard about good manners? First, let's see what is the meaning of good manners. How people are supposed to behave. That is the meaning of good manners. Let's see why we use good manners. Why we use good manners? Be nice to others. Be kind. Learn healthy habits. Use nice words when speaking. Now we are going to learn how do we use good manners according to the situations. Helping elders. What can you see in these pictures, my kids? There is a boy help to that grandma. He says, I will help you. Are you helping elders, my kids? Yes, you are. When your grandparents ask a help from you, don't think twice. Do it with your kind heart. Brush your teeth. Do you brush your teeth every day? I think you are. Look at this picture. Before you are coming to school, you should brush your teeth. Not only morning, you should brush your teeth before go to the bed. You should brush your teeth twice a day. Then how many times you have to brush your teeth? Yes, twice a day.
Wash your hands. This is a very good healthy habit. Before eating food, you should wash your hands. Raise your hand. If you need to ask something from your teacher, what you have to do? Yes, you have to raise your hand. Helping parents. Do you help your parents? Yes, you have to help your parents. So, how do you help your parents at home? You can wash dishes. You can clean the house by yourself. You can clean your clothes.
Okay kids, now I'm going to introduce few words. We called it good words. When we are speaking with someone, we can use those words. First one, please. Second one, thank you. Third one, excuse me. Fourth one, sorry. Let's see how do we use these words. First word is please. If you want a pencil from your friend, how do you ask? You can ask, please give me a pencil. Or, please give me an eraser. Second word is thank you. Look at this lovely picture. I think that girl's mother giving her present. So what can she tell to her mother? She can tell, thank you mother. What she can tell? Thank you mother. If someone give anything to you, you can say thank you. Third word is excuse me. How do we use this word? When you enter to the class, how do you ask the permission from teacher? You can ask, excuse me, may I come in? How do you going to ask? Excuse me, may I come in? After few minutes, you want to go to the washroom. Then how do you take the permission? You can ask, teacher, may I go to the washroom? Fourth word is sorry. If you hurt your friend, what can you say? You can say, I am very sorry. If you forgot your friend's book, you can say, I am very sorry, I forgot your book. What you can say? I am very sorry, I forgot your book. Fifth word is worship. As small kids, we should worship our parents. Not only parents, we should worship our teachers, grandparents also. Sixth word is sharing. Are you sharing things with others, my kids? I think you are. You should share things with your friends. You can share books, you can share toys, and you can share food also. Seventh word is say good morning. When you saw your class teacher at the school, you can say good morning teacher. But you can say good morning teacher. You can say good morning to your friends also. Last manner is early to bed and early to get up. Do you know, as small kids, you should go to the bed early and you should wake up early. This is good for your health. So, this is the end of the lesson. Before that, we are going to recite a poem about good manners. We say thank you. We say please. We don't interrupt. We don't argue. We share toys. We help each other. Good manners aren't too hard to learn. It's really easy. Good manners mean just being kind. Shall we recite once again, my kids? We say thank you. We say please. We don't interrupt. We don't argue. We share toys. We help each other. Good manners aren't too hard to learn. It's really easy. Good manners mean just being kind. I think you understood the lesson. Am I right, my kids? So, you can use these manners with your family members and your friends also. Okay, kids, have a nice day. Bye bye.